Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. Let us express 8 minus 3 root 6 all over 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 in the form of m root 3 plus 2 plus n root 2. All right, let's get started immediately. So what I have here is 8 minus 3 root 6 all over 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Now I'm going to multiply it with the conjugate. Conjugate is taking the denominator sign and changing the sign. I mean, taking the root on the denominator and changing the sign. So everything in the denominator, I'm going to take it. Why do I need to take the one from the denominator? Because it's the one that has the root. Okay, so I'm going to have 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 all over 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. So I didn't change anything. So I'm multiplying 8 minus 3 root 6 all over 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2, the same with 1. So nothing has changed. So let me put the multiplication sign. So at this point, I'm going to start with 8. 8 times 2 root 3 is going to be 16 root 3. Then the same 8 multiplied by minus 3 root 2 is going to be minus 18 root. 8 times 3 is 24, not 18, please. So this is 24. Now we have, I'm going for this. Minus 3 root 6 times 2 root 3. I'm going to have minus 6 root 18. Then this is going to be plus root 3 root 6, 3 root 6 minus 3 root 6 times minus 3 root 2 is going to be 9 root 12, all equal. Now, when I have the same denominator, but just difference because of their sign, I will take the subtracting one, the difference one, and the square individually. So I'll have 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2, and spare this side. I also square this one. So I need to break down with 18. With 18 is same as 9 times 2, which is 3 root 2, whereby root 12 is same as 4 times 2. I needed to use perfect. I liked we do this with perfect numbers like 9 and 4. Yes, so that I can break them down. Square root of 4 is 2, then it's 2. So I'm going to use this to change this key T and 9 respectively. So let's go. So the next thing I'm going to do is, let's go to, so we have 16 root 3 minus 24 root 2. Follow me patiently and gradually. Then minus 6. This is where the matrix comes. Minus 6. Now look at this. Instead of writing root 18, I'm going to write 3 root t. So this is going to be times 3 root t. Then plus. In mine, instead of writing root 12, I'm going to write times 3 root 2. That is what I have done. So in this case, everything is going to be divided by, remember, let me show you what I did there. So this is 2 3 all squared minus 3 root 2 all squared. Let's break down 16 with 3 plus 9. Okay, sorry, let's be open. So this is 16, it's 3, minus 24, it's 2, minus 18 root 2, plus 18 root. That should be root 3. Right? Did I? Oh, yeah, it's 2. That should be root 3. Sorry, 12 should be root 3. 12 should be root 3. Not 2 root 2, please. It's root 3. All right. So I am going to divide by. Now, this square root is affecting 2 is going to be 4 times 3. Yeah, that is it. Then minus this is going to be 9 times key. Because the square outside is going to square 3 and square the root. Whenever root 2 is squared, the answer is just going to be 2 because this is going to cancel it. Take note. So in this case, 16 root 3 plus 18 root 3 is going to be, that should be 34. That should be 34 with 3. Then the next one is minus 24 root 2. Because I have to take like terms. Take like terms, the ones that has root 3, we multiply with the one that has root 3. I mean, not multiply, they should add or subtract wherever the case may be. Now, the one that has root 2, you go with one that has root 2. So 24 root 2 and 18 root 2, they will subtract. So minus 24 minus 18 is going to give us minus 42. So this is minus 42. It's 2. Everything is equal to, this is 12, this is 18. 12 minus 18 is going to be minus 6. Let's keep moving to the last stage. So I have 34 with 3 all over minus 6. Then this is going to be minus 42 with 2 all over minus 6. So I decided to break them down into, parts by parts. So in this case, what should I divide? 34 and 6 is going to give me 17 over 3. 17 over 3 minus, which is root 3. Then this is 7. 42 and 6. 42 divided 6 is 7, but minus, cancel minus is going to be plus 7. 2. This is the answer. Therefore, M is given as minus 17 over 3. And N is given as 7. Thank you for being part of this guide. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment on the video. Have a nice time.